Hi everyone. In this video, I want to cover programming users on Vista residential panels such as the 15P, 20P, and 21IP. To change the system master code, enter the current master code plus 802 plus the new master code twice. For example, if the current master code is 4321 and you want to change it to 1234, the command would look like this: 4321 802 1234 1234. You will receive a confirmation ding from the keypad if the change was accepted. To enter additional users, enter the current master code plus 8 plus user number plus the new code. For example, if we want to add user number 3 with code 4545, the command would look like this: 1234 803 4545. You will receive a confirmation ding from the keypad if the change was accepted. You can also change a user's authority level by entering the master code plus 8 plus user number plus #1 plus authority level. A full list of authority levels can be found in the panel's owner's manual. For example, if we wanted to change user number 4 to be a duress code, the command would look like this: 1234 804 #1 3. You will receive a confirmation ding from the keypad if the change was accepted. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.